obsession. Your eyes are chasing me, object of protection. But then I don't smile for a little while, so you smash me down to the ground. You realize that you miss me, and you always wanna fix me, stick me back together with cheap glue. I don't need your worship, I am just a person. I am not your goddess, and I don't need your devotion. Don't need your devotion. Don't need your devotion. Don't pray to me. No, I can't save you. I got no remedy. Except to tell you the truth, tell you the truth. I'm not a sorceress, I'm not here to impress, and I'm not your muse. Oh, I can't be perfect. Oh, it makes no sense. What have I got to prove? I don't need your worship, I am just a person. I am not your goddess, and I don't need your devotion. Don't need your devotion. Don't need your devotion. I saw myself through your eyes, not my reflection. But I'm good with all the bad, not my imperfections. I don't need your worship, I am just a person. I am not your goddess, and I don't need your devotion.